Hello everybody, Lady B here. Uh, yeah, you're looking at this and you're saying, oh my gosh, what's she doing now? This is a window from the apartment upstairs and it was broke. So I'm cleaning off the glazing compound and caulking whatever was on there. So I can put in a piece of plexiglass that I've got over there. I'm not going to put glass back in it because I don't want to be the one to break it again. But anyhow, I've got to get this done. As if you can tell, I have been sick. I still am sick. But I've got to get this done and ready so my son-in-law can put it back in the window. I've already cleaned off some of the caulking. I've still got a little bit of cleanup to do. And I've got these glazing glazing points to put in. I don't know if you can see them. The triangled ones there, if it'll focus, is the ones that I took out. I've never seen them just like that, and they just slide in. But these are the ones here that I'm putting in it. And if it'll focus, I don't know if it will or not. But anyhow, you can tell the difference, what they look like. But I'm going to put those in. And I had some of the glazing compound that you have to roll up in your hands and put on there and then smooth it out with a scraper. But it was too old and it was too hard. And Lowe's didn't have any. So I had to get the glazing compound in the tube. I've never used that kind before. But hey, how hard can it get? But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and get on with this. But the main reason for this video is to wish everybody a very safe and happy New Year. And I am usually not one to make New Year's resolutions. And it's not really a resolution, I don't guess. But I have got to get more organized. I hate the fact when I know I've got something and I put it up where I know where it's at and it's never to be found again, or after I don't need it anymore. But my main thing this year is to get more organized. I usually like everything in its place, but everything has not been in its place for a very long time. But if y'all want to comment below if you have New Year's resolutions or what your plans are for the new year. But just want to wish everybody Happy New Year and hope everybody's Christmas was good. And I'll wait till I get some more of this window done, and I will be back and let you see my progress. Okay, I've got the plexiglass in the window frame. I took the blue plastic off the other side after I did a test fit. And I've got, and I don't know if you can, well, they're not on that side, but all the rest of the sides. Sorry about that. I've got the glazing points in all over the place. That might be overkill, but I'd rather have too many than not enough. I've still got to do the top side over there. But let me show you if I can hold this and do it at the same time. And now, just because I'm doing this doesn't mean it's the right way or the professional way. But this is just the way I do it, and this is the way I was taught. Well, I don't know if I was taught or not. I guess I was self-taught by watching other people do it. But anyhow, there's how you do the glazing points. You take it and shove it right up against, and oop, my hands are dirty. Right up against the window frame with the point in. And if I could do this one-handed without shaking it and killing you, just take the scraper and there you go. And here's the other type, the smaller one, and it's going to be hard for you to see. And there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the top row, and I will get back with you in just a little bit. Well, here I am, the same place that I was yesterday. This is a for instance. I told you that my house needed to be organized and stuff thrown out, and I like everything in its place, and it's sure not now. Like I said, for instance, I cannot find my tube of glazing compound. And all I did was think about going out today if I felt better. Well, this morning I got up and felt worse. So I'm not going out, and this is just going to have to be leaned up against the wall until I get ready to do it. Or at least until I get well enough to go out to Lowe's. And they do have the tub of glazing compound like I usually use. So I'd say that's probably what I'll get. But anyhow, I want to show you what a little bit of snow we got. And no, I'm not going out. So I'll be right back. This is the view from one of my security cameras. And that's all the snow we got. It might have been a little bit more yesterday, but that's what we've got, and I don't care if that's all we get. But anyhow, I want to go ahead and close this video out for now. I will be back at a later date as soon as I get better and get out to the store to Lowe's. But appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have you a designated driver if you go out, and if you do go out, please be careful. So y'all take care. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2018. Love y'all. Bye.